Maayong buntag or maayong udto or maayong gabi sa tanan. Welcome to another Trading Tirada video. This is Dep from Trading Tirada. And today we're going to be talking about Forex, and we'll try to explain this as simple as possible. But before we proceed, flash lang na to kadali ato ang disclaimer para well guided ang tanan. Alright, so again, this video is all about Forex. Just a simple and brief explanation lang, no, para mas makasabot kung unsa tong or unsa ning Forex, especially for those wala jud idea, walay or zero knowledge about Forex. So Forex is just a short term for foreign exchange. So mao ni siya ang pag-exchange or ang pag-trade og foreign currencies with an aim to make a profit. Meaning paliton nimo ang isa ka currency on a certain value, then ibaligya nimo siya on a higher value, para mo kita ka. And ang currency natong ginastoryahan diri is the money system of a particular country. Example like US dollars, peso, Japanese yen, and etc. But most of the time, ang gina-trade jud sa traders and other institution are the major pairs. Example would be US dollar versus Japanese yen, US dollar versus Canadian dollar, euro versus dollar, Australian dollar versus US dollar, and etc. On the other hand, commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, gina-trade pud na siya sa Forex. So kinsa man ang involved sa trading, no? Well, of course, we have market participants like banks, companies, or we call them institutions, of course the government, and last but not the least are the retail traders. So kita to, no? So these market participants execute their trades through a broker. Kay dili man ka pwede directly mag trade with the bank or with an institution. So it has to go through a broker. And some of us may wonder, no, kung anong nagataas or nagababa ang usa ka value sa isa ka currency, and that's because of different economic indicators like inflation rate, GDP, kaning GDP mo ning warag overall income sa usa ka nasod. Aside from that, ginatan-aw pud ang employment rate and a lot of other things. So based on na mga economic indicators, dira mag-speculate ang mga traders kung mutaas or mubaba pa ang value sa usa ka currency. So as an example, let us say sa US nibaba ilahang employment rate, then that would affect their economic growth. That being said, ang mga market participants, they would speculate na mubaba ang value sa US dollar. On the flip side, let us say ang Japan nitaas ang ilahang GDP, meaning ni gwapo or ni dako ang ilahang income as a country, then speculators would say na mo taas ang value sa Japanese yen. Therefore, trading wise, interested na kakaroon mo palit og Japanese yen because eventually mutaas ang iyang value. Now, how do we get access sa Forex? Well, as long as naa kay broker and a trading platform, then you can now start trading 24/5, meaning Monday to Friday, 24 hours open ang market. And that was it for our Forex 101. Short video lang, no, but hopefully nakahatag og value sa tanan. Thank you kayo sa pagpaminaw, and once again, this is Deb from Trading Tirada. Cheers!